Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Alicia and I'm back with another DIY video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made some custom composition notebooks for my daughter for her back to school. So this video is going up a little bit late, as we know the kids have already gone back to school. Now my daughter went back to school in September because we live in New Jersey. We're up north, we're not in the south anymore. So yeah, but I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and film it because the video, the books, I knew they were going to come out really nice. I said, let me just go ahead and film it and put it up, better late than never. So the style that I kind of went for was like a chic, a shabby type of a girly. 'Cause that's the vibe that my daughter is giving right now. She loves everything to be pink and frou-frou, extra girly, demure, whatever you guys want to call it. She's into cherries and strawberries and all type of little girly looking prints. So I went ahead and made her some notebooks with those kind of prints. I'm going to show you guys how to make it. I went ahead and made a easy printable template for you guys that you don't have to customize. You can just go ahead and print them. But I'm going to show you in the video how to customize it by adding your child's name. So I'll leave a link down below for my website where you can go ahead and find my templates. I added a couple so far. I basically added the styles that I know she likes. She likes the girly stuff, but she loves K-pop right now. So I went ahead and added those designs. I'll definitely go ahead and add some more. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the ones that we're going to be customizing in the video. I did a cherry. This is the cherry one that I did right here in the video, and then the website is buy one get one free, but I'm also going to be doing giveaways in this video, of course. So I think I'm going to go ahead and customize this cherry print one in this video. I might do either this one or that blue looking Dior, but we're going to head over to Canva. Once we get our template, we're going to head over to create design. We're going to go down to uploads and we're going to go ahead and click on upload file. Then we're going to go ahead and upload the file of the template. Okay, so it's going to be the same way it is on the website, just without any name. Now you can print it just like this and take you a pen or a marker or whatever and just go ahead and write your child's name where it says composition notebook, but we're going to go ahead and do it using Canva. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and type in where it says using a new design. We're going to go ahead and click on uh, portrait style 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. Okay, if you missed it, just go ahead and rewind, and then once that comes up, it's going to pop up, is the template is going to open up to a sheet of paper that's 8.5 by 11-inch, which is what we want to print it on. Okay, perfect size for the composition notebook. Okay, and I got the composition notebook. You can get them from Walmart, Dollar Tree, but Walmart had them for like 35 cents, so it's best to get them from Walmart, especially during back to school season. So I went ahead and clicked the left menu where it says text. We want to go ahead and click on text and go ahead and add a text box. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose the font and the size and the color that I feel like works best with this design. So I went ahead and changed the font to one that I like. Whenever you add a text box, a menu pops up at the top. And then you can go ahead and pick your font, pick your color, pick your sizing. Super simple, super easy. If you don't want to do this using Canva or any kind of software, you can just go ahead and print the label as is without, and just ignore this step right here. But I want to show you guys how to customize it using Canva. So I went ahead and just scrolled and looked for a font that I felt like would work best, that would look good. So I'm probably going to go ahead and make it a pink color as well. And just line it up and center it and just put it where I think it'll look best. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish that. Then I'm going to go ahead and download it and print it. And I'm printing this on sticker paper. Now I had gotten the sticker paper at Walmart when I had went to go get her back to school supplies. Doesn't have to be glossy paper. Doesn't have to be anything special, okay? But if you want to use glossy paper, then go ahead. I just went ahead to Walmart and got a basic matte sticker paper. Okay, and I'll show you guys here in a second which one that I used. And I liked it. It came out fine. It worked perfect for a basic inkjet printer. Printed out nicely and easily, no smudging or anything. I think it was about $10 for the pack. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it had 10 or 15 sheets in the pack. So that's not bad. Not bad at all. So yes, I went ahead and chose the font that I like. Went ahead and chose the color that I like. I went ahead and did a pink. I think I'm just going to go ahead and add a black outline around her name. So the top menu, I'll go ahead and I'll click on effects. Then I'll click on where it says outline. And then I'll go ahead and I'll add a black outline around her name. And that's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to go ahead and download this and print this. And I'll come back and show you guys. So once I finished, I went ahead and downloaded it, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks before I print it. So that's how it looks. Came out perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and send this to the printer. And like I said, I'm just using a basic sticker paper that I got from Walmart. And this is how they printed out. I printed 3 of them, and I went ahead and already put the other 2 on the book. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this one and show you guys how it looks. It's super simple, super easy, perfect size, and you don't really have to cut any of the template. You can just go ahead and cut it out and then go ahead and peel off the sticker backing and stick it right onto the notebook. So yeah, this is how nice it turned out. It actually looks a lot better, but you guys know my camera isn't the best. The lighting, I keep on filming videos at night, which is so stupid. But the lighting wasn't the greatest, but this is how it came out. I'll try to go up close so you guys can see the detail in it, but it looks really, really good. I'll try to definitely add some more designs on the website for you guys, because it's not only good for like back to school notebooks. I make myself like prayer books and books from like invoice books or bookkeeping books for my business as well. So if you like to have a notebook and you want to customize it, this is the perfect way to do that. So that's the sticker paper brand that I use. Like I said, it came from Walmart. It's called Asher Designs, and it was about $10, which is very affordable. And its sticker quality is really, really good. I'm also going to use laminate as well to give the cover a very shiny look. Okay, I get my laminate from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link that down below. It comes like a pack of like over 30 for like about $7, which is really, really good. This one in particular has like a star print, and it's holographic with different like color shades. When it's like it shimmers really, really nicely when you use it. Okay, I love using it for books and party favorite crafts, and my graduation caps, I use them, so I love it. And here's the book here. We got this from Dollar Tree. Big mistake. Do not pay $125 for a notebook, guys. Go to Walmart and pay 35-40 cents. Okay, and these are how the other 2 had came out. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I did this one, how I do one of them basically, okay? So the first thing first we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get our supplies. So we have our laminate sheet, just a scissor, and I'm just going to use like a metal paper clip clamp, because I use that to hold the laminate in place while I'm putting it onto our template, our book cover, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and grab the laminate clamp. I'm going to go ahead and grab my laminate, and then I'm going to grab my paper clip clamp, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right at the very top of that laminate, okay? And then that's going to make sure that once we open up our laminate, it doesn't come all the way off the sheet, okay? We want it to go ahead and keep it on the backing. Then I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and cut out the our notebook template, okay? Not all the way. I'm just gonna just cut it out enough, because we're gonna cut it out again once you get the laminate on there anyway. I'm just gonna cut out probably the bottom and the top part of that extra paper, okay? Then I'm gonna go ahead and open up the laminate, and then we're gonna go ahead and carefully place that sticker laminate onto that notebook template. Super simple, super easy. Like, you guys can make a ton of this in no time. I've seen people selling the custom notebooks like as a set. They'll sell the custom notebooks, and they'll also make like a custom crayon box, pencil box, even the little clear um organizers. I forgot what they're called, like a pencil case. You get them at Walmart for like $1, because I got my daughter a few of them for her back to school as well. So I'll probably end up doing a video, because I customize all of her stuff. So I'll probably end up putting up a video of me doing all of her supplies, so that if you guys want to sell these for next school year, you definitely can. So I went ahead and opened up the laminate sheet. I'm going ahead and I'm gently placing down the laminate on top of the template. This is probably the most tedious part. Not really tedious, to be honest, but you do have to take your time and lay it down flatly. If you don't, it'll get a bunch of air bubbles in there, and the paper is not forgiving. It's not glossy paper. I noticed that with glossy paper, if you lay down laminate, you have a few seconds to pick it back up. If you see an air bubble, or if it's going down a little bit crooked, you can hurry up and lift it. But with this sticker paper being matte, you can't do that. Once it's down, it's down. Okay, so just be very careful. Take your time. You don't have to rush. I just went ahead and peeled off the backing of that laminate, and then we're going to go ahead and just cut out our notebook template. Super simple, super easy. And of course, after we cut out the template, we're going to go ahead and place it down on our composition notebook. This is a regular basic composition notebook. I believe they measure like 9 inches by 7 inches. They're basically all the same size. Whether you get it from Dollar Tree, whether you get it from Walmart, they're basically all the same size. Okay, this is just a very cute and fun way to dress up your kids' school supplies. And like I said, if you're a crafter, or if you want to sell these as a craft, super simple, super easy. I'll go ahead and put up another video showing you guys how to do that. The pencils, because you can also customize pencil, the number 2 pencils. I use the big ones, and I believe that they're called first pencils or beginner pencils, because they're really made for like younger children, like kindergarten kids. They're the thicker number 2 pencils, but they're perfect. The size of it is perfect for making custom pencils. I made a bunch of them for my daughter, and she loved them. Okay, so I'll do a video showing you guys how to do that as well, how to do the custom crayon boxes. And they're super simple, super easy. All you're doing is you're customizing the template, printing them on sticker paper and printing them, and cutting them out and then laying them on top of the original pencil box or crayon box. Super simple, super easy. Okay, and also a good item to sell for back to school. So yeah, so I went ahead and cut that out. Now we're gonna go ahead and peel off the backing. And what I like about this sticker paper, look how nice and shiny that looks. You guys can kind of see the glare of the shine. But yeah, it's very, very nice laminate. So, but on the back of the sticker paper, it has like lines, and I'll see if my camera will be able to pick it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks, because it made it so easy to put the sticker paper onto the notebook. So I'm trying to get in close to show you guys how it looks, if I can, if my camera would pick it up. But it has like lines on the back of this. Not all sticker paper has this, and it makes it easier where you don't have to peel off the entire backing. You can peel off strip by strip, and you guys will see here in a second when I'm putting it on to the book. So I'm going to peel off the first strip, which is the very far side of our book, which is going to go right against, see, that's a strip right there. And that makes it very super simple and easy to put this on without peeling off the entire backing. So it has a couple of strips going across the back of the sticker paper. I love sticker paper that comes with that. It's because it makes it so easy where you won't, it'll help you not mess up once you're laying the whole sheet down on your project. So if you can get paper like that, that's perfect. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the composition notebook. We're going to go ahead and line it up and size it. If you have any overlapping, you can go ahead and cut that off. But the way that I made the template, it wasn't much overlapping, if any at all. It like fits the notebook actually very perfect. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and line that up to the edge. You don't want to cover the entire black strip that's on the side of your notebook. You want to cover a tiny bit of it, okay, so that none of that black and white would be showing. But you don't want to cover the whole thing, because the template won't be long enough if you do that. Okay, so basically you're going to just mimic the same design as the composition notebook. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and peel off the first strip, like right at the edge where we're going to place down our laminate, our sticker paper. And then we're going to go from there. And as we place down one, we're going to go ahead and gently pick up, strip off another strip and place it down as well. Super simple, super easy. Explaining it sounds more difficult than it actually is. Sometimes I don't know what words to use when I'm trying to teach you guys how to do something. So it's best to just watch. My English, even though I'm from America, my English is not the greatest, because I grew up in a Jamaican household around a bunch of Caribbeans and Spanish. So yeah, I be struggling, y'all. I'll be struggling. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it down, line it up, place it down where it fits. Perfect. And just go ahead and use my fingers and slide all the way across, all the way down. And that's it. Super simple, super easy. And then we're gonna go ahead and keep going. Like, and this paper, it surprised me because it's only $10. But this sticker paper is very strong. So I seen that I had put it down a little bit crooked. You guys probably couldn't tell, but I could tell. And even though I know that I do this for my daughter, I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to crafting. It has to look good. I don't care if it's for my daughter, for myself. It has to look good. Okay. And so I went ahead and lifted back up, and it was kind of strong. I was like, okay, this is some really good sticker paper. You know, for Walmart brand is really, really good. So that's how it looks so far. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off now the other strips, and just go ahead and keep on sticking it down as we go along. But it's super simple, super easy. Like I said, you don't have to use Canva to add your child's name. You can just go ahead and print it and add their name using a marker or a pencil or a pen or whatever. But I thought it was very, very more professional looking and nicer to use Canva to put her name in script, okay? So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue to peel off strip by strip and then lay it down. And that's how super simple and super easy. This project was very quick, very easy, came out nice. I'm going to go ahead and add some more designs for you guys as well. And I'll just go ahead and do the giveaway on, because I mean, it's buy one, get one. So I think if you guys put the giveaway in your cart, you should be able to get a second one for free as well. I think so. I don't know how it goes, but I know that I have a buy one, get one. So you might be able to snag the giveaway plus another one for free as well. But I think I'm going to go ahead and do the giveaway on the blue one, the one that has that Dior looking print. I think that that might be a better giveaway than the cherries. I don't know. We'll see. But I will put the giveaway link down below. Once the video premieres, you can go ahead and click on the giveaway link and you can go ahead and grab your giveaway. Now, the giveaways are limited. So once all of them run out, then of course there's no more left. I usually do like 50 of them, and people have gotten so used to me doing giveaways. So immediately once the video goes up or once it premieres, they hurry up and they try to get the giveaway. So that's why I'll go ahead and I'll wait till it premieres and I'll put the link down below so that people won't just hurry up and run and grab all the giveaways before the video fully premieres. You know what I mean? That way it gives you guys a greater chance at getting a giveaway. So yeah, so this is how everything looks. Everything is done, and this was a quick, super easy DIY. Everything came out fantastic. I'll go ahead and try to upload the matching crayon boxes, pencil boxes, everything that I can make matching to go with each template. Okay, try to make as many as I can. Okay, so yeah, this is how everything turned out. I hope you guys liked it. It was super quick, super easy. I'll go ahead and do the giveaway on this blue one right here. I like the way this one turned out a lot. I just love the print. I really do love it. So we're gonna go ahead and do the giveaway on this blue Dior inspired looking cover right here. Okay, but they all came out fantastic, but that one right there in particular is my absolute favorite. So I'll probably be adding the custom pencils shortly after this video goes up. So whatever date you're watching this video, the pencil video probably will go up the day after. And of course, we're going to have giveaways in that one as well. So if you watch this video all the way through, thank you guys so much for the love and the support, and I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And go ahead and grab your giveaway. Like always, happy crafting and God bless. You're true leader, and not obliged, promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason, and I decide to go out swinging. Yeah, it's in the air, my goal.